Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the ringing tone on the IMO app and set the custom ringing tone easily. First, open the IMO app and tap on your profile picture. Then go to settings and open notifications. There you can see a few options, so tap on calls. Now open the ringing tone option and you can change your ringing tone from the available built-in sounds. But if you want to use a custom ringing tone, there is no direct option to add an audio file. So you need to download the ringing tone as a video. I already downloaded the ringing tone video from YouTube, and you can also search and download many ringing tones video easily. After downloading it, tap on use video sound and select the ringing tone video from your gallery. I will choose the downloaded video and it will start playing. Now just tap on use and your custom ringing tone will be set successfully. So that's it for this video. I hope this method works for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.